Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons and welcome back to another week, another Christmas song. This week we're going to do Jingle Bells. It's a 3-chord song. It's a quick one. It's an easy one. I'm sure you guys will like it. So click subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss any other songs you'd like to learn before Christmas time. Stick around. We're going to do this song right now. So, Jingle Bells. Only 3 chords. Chords you guys already learned. If you haven't, click the link on top and it is just a couple of lessons away and you guys can play along. So let's run through the tabs, the chords you guys gonna need. The first chord, the chord G. The second chord, the chord C. And the third chord, the chord D. These are really essential chords when you guys are learning guitar. G, C, and D. With those 3 chords you can play thousands and thousands of songs. So that's the 3 chords we're going to use for Jingle Bells. Like a lot of the Christmas songs, I think it's so much easier to pick up the chord changes if you guys are singing along. And of course, if you guys are playing the guitar this holiday time, you guys get to set the tempo. So let's go through a quick sing-along before we zoom in and take this lesson a bit slower, and you guys can see exactly where to change. So let's start with the verse, the first part. We're gonna do dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. C, 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 D, laughing all the way. And then it is jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! So, let's zoom in. Let's take this lesson a bit slower. The 3 chords we're going to use: the chord G, the chord C, and the chord D. So let's just go through it a bit slower. So let's have a little sing along with it. Let's start with Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. And switch on O. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. C, 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 G, G, D, 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 D. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. To ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. So that is the Jingle Bells part. So it's jingle bells, jingle all the way. You guys can set the tempo if you guys are playing the guitar this holiday time. So let's do it a bit quicker. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! And that's how I did. I just did a pause. It just sounds a bit more dramatic or fuller in my opinion. I just like to do that pause to do the hey, jingle bells. So that is the Jingle Bells part. 3 chords the whole song. So you can change the strumming pattern a bit. So if you guys don't know how to do the space and so on, just hit the video on top. There's a couple of tips how to instantly improve your strumming and sound better. So let's go through the verse. We start with the chord G and we're starting with dashing. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. See, 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 go, laughing all the way. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. C, 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 D, laughing all the way. So you guys see what happens there with the strumming, and it's jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. See, 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 go, laughing all the way. Dashing through the snow. So let's do that part slower again, the verse. So it's the chord G. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. C, 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 D, laughing all the way. G, 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 C, 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 G, D, 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 G. Jingle bells, jingle bells. You guys see how it fits from the verse into the chorus? So that is the verse. So let's play both the jingle bells part and the verse together. We're going to start off with the verse. Let's start with a slow one. So 3, 2, 1. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. C, 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 G, laughing all the way. G, 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 C, 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 D, 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 G. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. C, 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 G, 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 D, 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 D. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Alright, and that was it for this week's lesson for Jingle Bells. There is another lesson coming up, also a 3-chord song, and it's going to be Silent Night, so make sure you subscribe, you hit the notification bell to not miss that lesson. Keep on practicing this one, keep on practicing the other lessons you can find in this playlist, also everything for Christmas. And also join us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. I'll see you guys a bit later this week.